up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason. Thank God them with my glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them.
So right about now, ladies and gentlemen, you don't know, say it's a new vlog, it's a new day, and yes, it's a vlog. It's really a vlog. Because I soon know there, some people are comment and say, yo, them need but the vlog now, may I do too much reaction video, and may I do too much sit down video. But the reason for that is, it's more easier for me. And when I say it's more easier for me, it's more easier than vlog. Because of the editing. I know the side where me say that more easier, I don't want to vlog on him someday. But just do it more because my computer is so slow. And for edit a vlog, it take me 1.5 days to edit one 10-minute vlog. I have a MacBook Pro, but it's 2009. And you know, 10 years ago that, so it's outdated. Right now, I have saved for buy a laptop so I can edit more, edit better. Go to more videos, go to more vlogs daily, you know what I mean? So all the people right now where say yo famous, yeah do too much sit down video, yeah do too much reaction video, all of them something there. Now this is me, I say yo, una present me with the problem, una must can help me find the solution then. And the solution is a better laptop. That's all me need to work with right now. So uno, I'm my #1 supporters, them my day one fans, them my day one supporters, them people who there and want to see the channel strive and want to see more video, want to see better editing, see better quality and all them something. This a phone also. Right now, I go do this, I'm 100% serious about this. I go add my Cash App to the screen right now, and I go add my PayPal to the screen right now. Who want to see me continue this and give you a daily vlog? Because I tell you, if I edit with my computer right now, it take a day to do a vlog, and that's why I can't really vlog every day now like how I used to. Because when I do that, my girly day I use for laptop, so it is fast. Long story short, if you don't want to support famous, road for buy a laptop, because I actually save for buy a laptop right now, but you can help me and speed up the process. My Cash App up on the screen and my PayPal up on the screen. If you don't want to help famous buy a laptop right now, so you can get more vlog, daily vlog, and a lot more videos. Nothing is too big, nothing is too small. Right now, I wish a scammer just click on this and see it and just say, see a piece of food there. That's that bad. All seriousness, for real. If you don't want to support the thing and help me do a thing, that's all me asking you for do. You know what I mean? Nothing too big, nothing too small. Yeah, we're there, up it, up it. Today, we are got, right now, I'm there, I'm alone there, because Chavas spent all night last night in Illusion. So, I don't have a vlog when I butter for edit. I edit it one night last night. I edit it. I just done it. I just done it this morning now at 12 o'clock. I edit it from way in last night, from early part of last night. So I done edit that. Now I have to left it for render. So it's gonna take around 2 hours for render and save, and then I can start upload it to YouTube so we can get that. But yeah man, blessings and respect. Right now I'm gonna make some ackee and saltfish and some boiled dumpling, because that me feel for. From wake up me feel for that ackee and saltfish and boiled dumpling. And we want the Jill today. Ricky, if you can give me a link. So but there, just journey with the rest idea and so I go on. Mad move, up it in, up it in. So last night the boy Chavas and Illusion them did there, and them cook some rice and peas. No rice and peas, them cook white rice and what is something name? Mackerel. Them cook white rice and mackerel 12 o'clock last night. Me stop eat rice, so me say me never want a rice. And at 12 o'clock, me not eat no food after 8 o'clock. Me even 8 o'clock, me stop eat after 6. So if 6 o'clock come on, me eat no food, I be a snack, me snack and find something, you know what I mean? Me stop eat every food after them time there. Why now me come down here and the sink full a plate? Rice in the one here. Why I mean you no left wash up a plate them? Me no eat none of no food. Me no help you no cook. And people and me have to come back and wash up a plate. And watch out, all rice them and left for my stove. Now come back over here and cook. We are gonna cook some ackee and saltfish. So I'm me alone. So we need much. One tinaki. What me need now? Oh, my saltfish. Take out my sweet pepper them, you know. Sweet pepper and Scotch bonnet pepper. Me did buy onion yesterday too. Or whichever day we go to supermarket. I think thyme and scallion in that. But me can't find me saltfish. Somebody broke in the house and thief his saltfish. Find me saltfish so good. Yeah. Me I make you with some. Me gonna make you with flour and bleach flour. You know what I mean? So today is boiled dumpling and ackee and saltfish. So what me I do basically right now, I boil off the saltfish. I'm gonna go use 3 pieces. I left 3 pieces. So all we are gonna do, I boil off the saltfish, scald it off so you know. I like to wash it off first. Wash it off and then I boil it. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna use the pot for the flour for boil the dumpling in and just use this boil the saltfish. So I'm just full this of water now. I make it go and boil. So by the time I need my flour, I make it set a little bit. Water boil up already and a time to dash in my flour. You know when you boil flour and something, you have to tip little water in it, tip little salt in the water. But I say you have to tip little water in the salt. Kneading flour time now. Alright, see the part about the dumpling making when me know like you have to make the dumpling. Normally, all me do, I just rub them round so, pressing at the middle and kinda shape them to more on them. Don't look so bad. It looks so bad. You know when me I make dumpling at some big cartwheel me normally make, you know. I drop 2 of them in on my plate, my good. Yeah, working man dumpling. You know when you see man at Jamaica on construction site, or man at do road work, them used to. Them dumpling them used to, you know. All I dumpling them in a pot now, what I basically I go do, I cut up my sweet pepper and my onion and Scotch bonnet pepper and get ready for my ackee. My saltfish just boil, the saltfish just done boil, but I throw off the water then my taste piece of saltfish still salt. So add some more water in it, I'm just gonna make this boil for like 2 more minutes and we're good. So right now I just done cook. I wanna know if you ask. Yo, my G's. Yo, my G's, come here. Yo, the food drop out of my hand, me G's. The plate broke on the carpet, me G. The food drop out of my hand. Look where my dumpling and roll gone. Could they? Watch out. Look for my dumpling there, me G's. Look for my dumpling there. My dumpling still hot. My dumpling then still hot. Watch where me hockey there. Look for my pepper. What me do for deserve this? Me never feel, me no feel for bad I eat no food, you know. Me no feel for bad I eat no. Me have to go clean it up. Me say you so in trouble go feel lick. Tell me say me sit down and me cook me food. Me cook me food, you know, me cook me food. And me have the plate in my hand, I go show you say me about fi see all my pot. Watch out. Look for me yaki and me saltfish. You know how much for yaki? You know how much for yaki? Alright. The tin of yaki are for 7 that. Oh, me think of yaki in my beard look oil, you know. Me dumpling. The plate. And me fork over this so. Why? What me do for deserve this? The whole of my tattoo burn off. What me do for deserve this? Could I? Jesus Christ, you see we in trouble go feel lick you see man. Now a base splinter upon the mat and me have to go vacuum. And me dinner me da go eat you know. Now me end up a clean up plate. Me have to go vacuum and now call out there. A base splinter that. Jesus Christ. Boy I tell you, me need even feel for eating no food again. Splinter full, the whole mat's full of splinter. Me have to go. John know me jeez. Boy. And a lucky thing on the day I have to see everything too. Everything on the day I have to see too. Jesus. Woo! Boy. John no star. Why? Yo, my bakes, you know. Go here. Look at me yaki and saltfish there. Plate slide out of me and I could have feel when the plate a slide, you know. But you see true. The thing is, well on the seat. Me have one camera all day. Me have one and I hold me have one camera. Me have one and I hold the camera and the plate there in the next one. So it slide where it slide. But I have to drop the camera and catch the plate. Or just make it drop. Me not drop the camera. Food or food. But watch out. But just beg so me have to clean up all of this. John me G. John. Boy in trouble go for lick you see. John me G. John. Boy. No me have to go vacuum. Because I'll be a splinter up on the ground. Boy, I tell you, see. My yo, don't you understand how me bakes, you know? Feel no see me sit down and cook my food, you know. How me cook my food. How me share out my food. And y'all tell me say, and when me about to go eat the food dash it. When me about to eat the food dash it. People, slide out of me and such is life. So life go. There. Burn off all of me tattoo, G. All of me tattoo burn off. Look, you know me island to burn off around here, so me Jesus. Alright, me G's. Right now we're there and we're gonna try this one more time. Now the food and even look presentable. Dash me all of my food lick while my G's. Sure, alright, I can see what I'm going on now. I forgot to buy green sweet pepper, that's why it don't look so colorful. I need sweet pepper. Taste what I'm going for yaki. And it tastes so good too, for so much dash way. I could not eat this for my breakfast tomorrow and my dinner, you know. When I dash a little while, a half a tin of ackee, you know. Boy, I tell you, I taste the dumpling them also I go and call dumpling them. Yo, if me da walk with this require dash again, me stop me on food. Me stress. Can't believe some food dash. Good food dash. Can't believe it. Can't believe some food dash. I can't believe it. Watch out. No me have you. No? Yo, the pepper them bad. I buy some what they call it, Scotch bunny pepper. I buy some Scotch bunny pepper yesterday at Bravos. And in this well bad. I cut up one of them in this bad. No like to I swear. Bad piece of pepper. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna consume my food and just edit this. I didn't even add nothing more to this. Done for you. And I just clean up the place. Alright, I'm gonna edit this and just upload it so I have a vlog for watch. Big up my G's them, uppity. When you now walk with food, well plate good. You know what I mean? All of me and bun off, me have to go use some Vaseline and put on it right now. But yeah man, me there. Uppity. Blessings and respect. Mad move.
Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason. Thank God I'm glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them.